Good morning, my name is Daniel Stiven Peñaloza Rojas. Okay, poultry sensors. A brief description of the proposed innovation. A sensor is presented that indicates when there is no water flow to the bird waters. The proposal is to make an investment that will allow the company to purchase the sensors to prevent birds from dying of dehydration and generating loss for the company. How are you evaluating the proposal? The accuracy of a sensor refers to how close the measurement made by the sensors is so the actual value of the variable being measured, in this case water flow. An accurate sensor provides reliable results and minimizes measuring errors. Factors affecting: 1. Calibration. A well-calibrated sensor ensures greater accuracy. How are you protecting the IP generated from the proposed innovation? Patent. Innovation patent protects the innovative technical solutions of the sensor, such as the detection mechanisms of the algorithm. Copyright. Software, the source code and user interface of the associated software are protected. Under which conditions are you going to commercialize the value proposal? A warranty is a commitment by the manufacturer or distributor to repair or replace a defective product within a special period of time. Duration. How long is the warranty? Does it cover only manufacturing defects or also failures due to normal use? Coverage. What components are covered by the warranty? Does it include labor and shipping? Thanks.
Hello, I am Arleidy Prieto,
Hello.
and today to present an innovative solution from Coca-Cola, one of the leading poultry companies in Colombia. We propose the implementation of an intelligent sensor system to monitor water flow in these facilities. Why it is important? Because water is a critical resource in poultry production, and this system will optimize its irregular operating cost and ensure the well-being of the solution has an initial cost of 20 million for implementation, including installation and training, and 40 million only for entering and updates, in addition to a cost with 500 million up front and a 5 royalty on profits generated by the technology calculate quality. The system not only offers more efficient water control but also improves sustainability and increases long the profitability. It is a strategic investment that not only saves money but intelligent optimize results. If you think it is appropriate, let's schedule an appointment to explain the details so we can move forward once and for all and ensure you that it is a very good investment. Goodbye.
Hello. I'm Jhon Freddy Borquez. I have to tell you something very interesting. Somatic in a better for the company in Coca-Cola. It is an aromatic system that uses sensors in a beer drinkers. This prevents water waste and minimizes losses. In Coca-Cola, we have to the option to tube tubing and license for the sensor system. The term the license option will be the 5-year the contract, starting from the date of signing, and will allow the company to decide on long-term implementation. In Coca-Cola will have the first right to acquire the sensor system if the owner decides to shall transfer the rights before offering and two others in Cubacol's licenses would be excused. Do you think we can meet tomorrow and I can give you more information?
Hi, I'm Lady Caterine Carpeta Cuesta, and today I want to introduce you to an innovative technological solution that will revolutionize the way Colombiana in Cuba manages its poultry refeed process. Our proposal is a Spain water super sensor designed to automate and optimize this critical process. The sensor not only ensures precise and continuous control, but also reduces human errors. It increases physical effects at quality and supported style and product quantity. But how do we protect its innovation? In technological progress is backed by balance and confidentiality agreement. Ensure that this technology remains exclusive and the agreed terms of use. Now let's talk about value. Economical. Reduction of operating costs and optimization of residue. Technological. Modernization that places in Cubacol as a really innovation. Sustainable. Efficient use of water align us with responsible practice. And how do we market these proposals? We offer a 12-month warranty in Chical Try for staff and again technical support fundamentals. The implementation will be scaled. Cover allocation meet this with this innovation. In Coacol not only optimize its process, but also position it as modern. A fish company capable of responding to the demand of the constantly evolving market. Let's hope forward to making the forty of poverty framing with country aid technology. Thank you. I want to make information. Don't know how to can use. We're ready to innovation together.
Well, receive a cordial greeting. My name is Giovany Acosta, one of the CEO of the technology innovation that was created to provide a solution to the problem that the Incubacol company is presenting and selling in Cuba, in Colombian company, and one of the largest which has the series of problems with water. This innovation consists of the series of sensors which regulate the flow of water at the monitoring so that with this it is possible to address the problem that generate constant control as well as recording which will help the company to determine the forensic difficulties with water. Managed to approve the prices and the healthier product for its budget, this innovation will protect the combined protection, the industry and the same brand science it will resisted and intellectual property and through classes with this our technological innovation will have a cost 200 million Colombian pesos there for its training and installation as well as its implementation. It will 40 million Colombian pesos, which will cover but maintenance and obtaining that the sensors can receive it over the course of the contract time with a royalty of 5% only, which help the hamlet and more that help them to the grow being the best in the country in the popular sector that does regulate in the probability of the chicken raising areas, thereby reducing long-term problems the chicken designs such mortality rates for these birds. With this, if you are interested, we can talk about in the rest of the series agreements and details starting to implement that as soon as possible, seeing them as not simply improving but investment that will increase your productivity in generation and increase in your profits and repeat become increasingly landed.